Welcome to IBC 2024.
Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models,
And network with over 170 countries right here in Amsterdam. Uli, it's day 2 of IBC. How's the show been for you so far?
Show is really exciting. So it was a great start yesterday, lots of great customer meetings. We revealed some of our new products yesterday, really a bit as a surprise. So yeah, it's running great.
Fantastic. I'm excited to dive in and learn more. So talk to us about Vizrt and how you're positioned in the broadcast and media industry.
Yeah, Vizrt is known since ages for high-end broadcast graphics. This is where the brand Vizrt originates from, and we are still leading, of course, the broadcast market. We are innovating in this area, having new products, new launches, also here at IBC. And last year, the big news at IBC is that we are merging the brand of NewTek that we acquired some time ago into this portfolio, bring the TriCasters in the Vizrt family, and bring Vizrt products to the TriCaster family. And this is what we are rounding up now here, and therefore we are really well positioned in the live production, easy to access, integrated live production combined with graphics. And this is where we see even more traction in the market, where also the ease of use, the simplicity is getting more and more importance rather than just the high-end technology.
On that note, Uli, what about the trends that's unfolding in the industry? How are you finding that you're meeting those trends?
Big trends are doing more with less, so being efficient, being easier to use for the journalists, for the technicians, but at the same time still creating, or even more creating, stunning visual output and to be able to tell stories in a better way. Video perception is more and more common. Everybody can do great videos on the iPhones. With Apple Vision now, the augmented reality aspect gets way more into day-to-day usage of people in this perception of what I visually like to see. And professional content creators up to broadcasters, they need to maintain and create and grow this visual appearance. And if I'm a CEO of a retail company and I want to do a town hall, this town hall should look like television. I don't want to do a bad quality type of shaky camera type of town hall. I want to use great graphics, augmented reality, present my data and my numbers and my content well as broadcasters tell their stories. And this is the trend in the industry, that this is merging, that the users or the non-professional content creators who are not doing it because their business is television, that they want to create the same outputs. And how can we help those type of customers, and how can we help the big broadcasters to be more efficient, to use this in social media? And this is where we are putting a lot of effort into bringing all this together. And there the trend AI, of course, helps. So it's easier to create content in some way with limitations, but we are showing together with partner Raw Visual, for example, the AI-based creation of a 3D background so that you can create a 3D effect even with a simple Virtual Studio setup with our product Virtual Studio Go. So AI is making something accessible where you needed to have a designer beforehand. Those are the big trends. And how do we see that we are on the right path is feedback from customers, of course. We're talking to customers all the time, getting their feedback and bring this into the product.
Yes, very important to get that feedback, and very exciting times with all of the innovation making everything so much more accessible. What are you showcasing here at IBC this year?
Yeah, we have a lot of new stuff basically in all our product lines. So the big reveal yesterday was that we are having 2 new TriCaster models. On the high-end side, our new flagship is TriCaster Vizion, which is a UHD 422 10-bit ready version of the TriCaster on new hardware platforms with more I/O, 12G I/O, new interesting features helping with day-to-day production, easier configuration, refreshed UI, and also a first AI assistance in it. So I was just talking about AI, so making it easier to do keying using AI, making it easier to properly look in the camera. We are adding gaze correction into the TriCaster, and there will be more AI based on our Viz AI framework being added to the TriCaster line. So this is the new high-end TriCaster that we revealed now. It will start shipping in October, so really ready to go. More on the entry side, where people want to start to go into this area, want to have a supported entry-level solution, we have TriCaster Mini S, which is a software-only version of TriCaster that one can install on his own hardware, download from the internet, get a license from us via our channel partner system, and then can have a really entry-level, quite affordable start into the TriCaster world. And of course, all this works together. You can have a high-end TriCaster and combine it with some satellite, smaller TriCasters. And then on the TriCaster side, to round this up, we are showing some preview tech of audio interfaces, and we have renewed our cloud portfolio of TriCasters, which we offer now via the AWS Marketplace. So this is all on the TriCaster integrated production side. On the graphics side, we are having a Viz Engine 5.3, which is the next release of our main core graphic engine, with also more support for NDI, for HDR, enhanced HDR support, more affordable SDI options, including also AI there for talent tracking, so that a person can interact with virtual graphics in the studio without tracking systems. A lot of rendering options to create better output, again, more better output. And a big element, we are investing even more to help our customers to migrate from previous versions and previous creative assets to the last generation of our products, and we are adding some migration tools and migration helpers. And then, of course, we are having news on our studio automation, assisting the production with templated elements of the show, with Vizrt, showing great new stuff here, showing new products on the sports side, new enhancement to Libero and Arena, so big portfolio around sports, graphic, and live production, all being tightly integrated in the Vizrt product family.
Wow. As a collective, who is this for and what are the future use perspective cases?
Yeah, so our claim is for every professional storyteller, from the individual to the largest media enterprises. And this is really where we try to provide benefits for all of them. We are serving our high-end customers. We have a large market segment in high-end broadcasters. We are serving them with training, with individual account managers, support managers, taking their requirements, fast turnaround in products, even more faster, training them in how best to use our products. At the same time, with TriCaster Mini S, we are offering our products for download on the website with free training in the internet, free courses. If you are, for example, a vMix operator, how to start as a TriCaster operator, so that the individual creative storyteller also benefits from our products. For example, also with FlowX being now fully integrated and part of the TriCaster family line, so that you can use in a very easy, simple, accessible way that every creative storyteller can learn in 30 minutes how to do graphics in the cloud and use in the TriCaster family and in our bigger graphics ecosystem. So really the whole portfolio to help all creatives to tell their stories.